So I'm gonna share with you today my go-to accessories that I feel like elevates every outfit, no matter if it's jeans and a t-shirt or you're dressing up. I find simple accessories can really make or break an outfit, and today I'm gonna share with you the ones I always travel with. I have it down to a handful of pieces that I always travel with anymore because I know they're just gonna work with every outfit and they're just gonna elevate every look. So let's start with what I'm wearing. You see me wear these simple stud earrings in a lot of videos. They are just my go-to. If literally I just have on shorts and a t-shirt, I will feel more pulled together with two things. That is a simple stud earring. These are faux, by the way. I haven't worn my real diamond earrings in years. I just love these. And anymore, I just wear a simple band for my wedding ring. My wedding ring usually just sits in the safe because it's bigger and the setting sets up real high. I'm always afraid I'm gonna hit it. So this ring I usually wear. But the other piece that you've seen me again wear for years if you followed me are these cuff bracelets. And I just feel like they are so simple, but yet elevate, again, a simple outfit, whether it is just jeans and a t-shirt. I feel very pulled together with a simple earring and simple bracelets. So I will link all these for you below. They will be in the description box and pinned to the first comment. So if you're on your phone, it's easy to find that way. So these are the bracelets. There is a gold, a rose gold, and a silver. Again, I've probably had these like 10 years. They're my original ones. I absolutely love them. I also wear, you've seen, probably the last several years in videos, and they have been bestsellers like year after year with you all, are these simple Amazon bracelets. I will link the exact ones I have from Amazon. One is a link and one is a bead, and I think they have several options to choose from. Another simple piece that I always travel with that is great for layering and again will elevate many outfits. I just wanted to share everything with a white t-shirt today so you could see something just plain, but it is this little, it's kind of like a faux diamond pendant necklace, and I like that it adjusts. Several different companies make these, so I will link whatever option I can for you if I can't find this exact one. So a lot of times if I have something major going on with like a statement earring or a bigger hoop, sometimes I'll just opt for this simple necklace. And again, this one looks really good with just a t-shirt. So speaking of hoops and earrings, if I was only going to take like 2 to 3 earrings, it would be a stud. It would be a pair of simple gold hoops. These are about, I'd say, an inch and a quarter. I think I've mentioned these before that I've literally had these for over 30 years. It was when I worked in a jewelry store. These happen to be real gold. They're like a hammered style. Not only do I love the little bit of interest on it, but I like the size. I find the size perfect. I find too large of hoop starts to go a different direction with your look. It no longer looks classy. It's drawing too much attention, I feel like. So there is a really good size. And you've seen me wear these a lot. This will often be my go-to in a travel outfit. I've had this pair for a couple of years. This is a smaller hoop. Still gives a statement, but because it's wider, but it's more of like a Huggie style. These are a great choice. I would say another more casual pair that I often reach for, again, just day to day or on vacation, is a hoop this size. You can see, hopefully I'm gonna show you close-ups of these. You can see the size difference here. So if I feel like a stud just looks too plain, or maybe I want something gold, I will definitely go for these little small hoops. Of course, if you wear silver, then just switch any of these out for silver. I tend to wear both. I would say a long time ago, I wore more silver. Now I wear more gold, but I'm kind of picky about the color of gold and the shade of it, but I can usually wear both. However, I do find gold usually elevates the outfit a little more. Silver tends to look more casual. But again, go with what you like. I have a handful of statement earrings that I know. These just come with me. I don't have to think about it because 9 times out of 10, even if I bring something that goes with a more specific outfit, these are the ones I'm going to reach for. So I have worn these a lot. This is an old Kendra pair. You've probably seen these in different cruise videos. They're white, so they're really pretty in the summer, especially if you have your hair back. So just gives, you know, a little bit of interest, color, but they're not too big. It's not like screaming, hey, look at my earrings. In more recent years, these have been a very good bestseller with you all too. This is another Amazon pair. It's very lightweight, but pack a lot of punch. is this statement earring. I really like these. I probably shown these within the last like year or two, I would say, is when I first came across them, been wearing them. So you could see definitely, again, I feel like with your hair back, even down, I've worn them with my hair down. They just give the right amount of look. So these are, again, a very pretty statement earring, one of my go-tos. J. Crew often has very pretty jewelry, whether it's earrings, bracelets, those usually are kind of my go-to from them. This is another, again, you have the drop look. That is a great statement look. These are older, so I don't think they have this particular pair, but again, anything I'm talking about, I'll try to find something very similar for you, just so you can kind of get the same look. These are an older statement, but I just love these. So pretty, classic. It's kind of like Kendra Scott. You kind of know them when you see them, and they definitely are larger. So, you have to be wearing the right thing, the hair, everything kind of comes together, because sometimes I'll put these on and I feel like they're a little too much, and other times they're just perfect. So I do often travel with these just in case, and I know I have something that I'll want to wear with them. So besides just the simple jewelry that elevates, like simple bracelets over here, I will typically bring a larger statement cuff. J. Crew, like I said, has a great one. This one, I believe, was from Nordstrom. I'm not sure they have the exact one. It's kind of like a little leaf pattern, but I've had my eye on some newer ones lately too, just because I kind of want to change up my look. But if I want something, I will not wear these when I'm wearing this, by the way. But when I need something more on my arms, feel like I need more of a statement look on my wrist, I will grab a statement cuff. I just think they look great. I still will always wear these. These are almost like a watch to me. They're so dainty, and they're always on the other wrist. I always put this one on my right. These are always on my left. So I will wear both of those at the same time. Another piece that always goes with me is my watch. I got this a couple of years ago. It's my Cartier tank watch. I actually need to do a video of like accessories, shoes, things like this is ruining your outfit, because I see it so many times. People go to dressy events, whether it's a cruise or just any dressy event, and I see things that's totally ruining their outfit. One of them being their watch. And most of the time that's an Apple Watch. But anyway, this is just, simple, timeless, elegant design. If I am very dressed up, like black tie, formal, I will probably not wear a watch, because I find most of the time, no matter how elegant or slim, sleek the style is, I just feel like you can go without a watch. The look probably doesn't need one. They have some Cartier lookalikes on Amazon anymore that look great. So I will link a few of those for you if you want a more sleek, simple watch that kind of goes with everything. My husband and I are into watches, so we notice watches on everyone. We are always like across the room, oh, do you think that's a blah, 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 whatever the watch is. But again, we're into watches, so we like watches. If you don't like to wear a watch, you can skip it. And that's why a lot of times I'll wear these, because it feels like, I almost feel kind of like you're forgetting something, like a lot of people feel that way when they don't have a watch on. That's what I feel like with these. All right, so necklaces, they can totally make an outfit. And you see me wearing different necklaces, different layered necklaces with the most simple outfit. Even if it's just a simple tank top being white or colored, when I'm traveling, a necklace can really just elevate the outfit. So I have a few go-to. Of course, there are always gonna be times where I just want that special big statement necklace, but I have to say I'm more into the layering necklaces that give a punch rather than the statement necklace. I'm more into the statement earring right now, but once in a while I will bring a big flashy necklace with me because it just really goes with the outfit. So this is one I've had a long time. This is actually a layering necklace from Amazon that's very popular from them. It has a second piece with it. However, I find I almost always just wear this one. It's like a little geometric shape. It has two different sizes, my initials on one. It looks great on its own. And then I will also layer it with this one a lot of times. So it just looks like that then. I like that this one's adjustable too. So again, both of these, you can adjust them depending on the neckline of what you're wearing. But especially if you have something high up like this, and definitely sleeveless, like I said, a sleeveless tank or something, I find a layering necklace looks really good. Another favorite that I get asked about quite a bit, and I always try to find something similar, but sometimes I can't. This is from J. Crew. Why I like this, it has a little pearl and then a little coin here. So this is a necklace that is attached. So it's a layering necklace. Looks like this. It looks great, especially if you have on something dark, that this really stands out and the pearl stands out. So again, you see the theme here with the layering necklaces really bring attention to an outfit, and it's just so simple, but I know, again, I can bring these pieces and they're gonna elevate every look. So this is a little more of a statement, and popular that you see right now is a lot of these like choker style link necklaces like this. I mean, I've even seen them where like the coin or something is much bigger. Those are very popular. And again, it's more of a little bit of a statement up high. And again, you could layer it, but I find most of the time if I'm gonna wear this, I'm probably gonna wear it on its own. These are the two jewelry pouches that I travel with my jewelry, depending on what I'm bringing. All of that I'm bringing, except for the cuff, will fit in this small one. I've shared this many times. It's from Amazon. I like that it has separate little snaps here for your daintier necklaces. So again, I can fit all those in there. I can put earrings in here, earrings or rings in here. Which, speaking of rings, now that you can see them, I almost always travel with this pinky ring too. And then this is just a small gold band I've had for probably 25, 30 years. So just some dainty rings. I always like that when I travel. It just kind of elevates a little bit, but definitely the pinky ring I've been very into the last couple of years. But this is what I travel with, I would say, most of the time. Unless I'm bringing, again, a big statement necklace, maybe a little more jewelry than normal. So this is the larger size, and it's kind of the same thing with how you can put the necklaces over there, the pouch for things. What I do with my big cuff bracelets, I will usually just put them in a handbag. Or a good pair of sunglasses always elevates an outfit. I feel like it's just as important sometimes as your jewelry, especially in the summertime. So you'll often see me wearing just sunglasses on top of my head, or when I take a photo of an outfit, I'm always like trying to make sure, okay, do these sunglasses go with each other? I only bring 2 to 3 pair. I know that sounds crazy for some people, but I am photographing outfits and things like that. And I like them for different reasons. This one is larger. And again, I like that I can just put it in my hair if I need to, because it doesn't have nose pieces. And this is kind of my go-to all the time. It goes with everything. I don't have to think about it. I've been a long time Ray-Ban lover, so my blue Ray-Bans definitely go with me. If I had to pick 2 to take with me anywhere, it would be this pair because they're a little larger, and then this pair. Love these. The blue, especially, I have them probably in like 3 or 4 colors, but I always reach for the blue. And then this Amazon pair. Love these too. These are a great statement. You've seen these again in several outfits on vacation, because I do typically bring these. Again, I'm extra, so I bring 3 pair, but they just really will make a certain outfit. They're a great statement. They are designer look-alike. So if you have these foolproof jewelry pieces, I feel like you can make any outfit. You can accessorize it to elevate it. You don't have to think about so much then. I find if I'm just grabbing the same pieces and then adding in maybe those extras now and then, I'm not gonna forget anything either, and I don't stress. Like, I have a whole box of statement earrings and their colors and shapes and this and that, and they are fun once in a while, but if I want to pare down my jewelry and just bring the pieces I know will go with everything, these are the ones I bring. Make it simple and it just works. I hope you guys found this helpful. Everything I spoke about will be linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.